Hello guys, this is Pawan from Electronics. So today in this video tutorial I'll show you how we can install XAMPP server, and we will see how we can run one PHP script on the htdocs folder, and we will access that script and run that on our browser, and we will see the echo statement printed on our browser. So let's get started. So for that, what we need to do, we need to install a XAMPP server for that. So we will just write download XAMPP. So this is the first link you will get here. Okay, so here you will just click on this download XAMPP. So here you just this first link you can click, and as soon as you will get this thing here, this thing will, your message you will get like awesome, your download will start automatically. Here what you need to do, you need to generally it gets start automatically. If it doesn't get start automatically, you just need to click on this click here icon. So here you can see as my downloads is started. So okay, let's just give it some time. It will take some time, so let's just to finish download, let's wait for that. Okay, so we will install it as it is downloaded. Now we'll just follow the process, and here we'll get the welcome screen. Here you can see the welcome to XAMPP, and this the pop-up window will get, and we'll just click on OK, and here the setup wizard, I'll click on next, and it will create one folder, see XAMPP, next, and XAMPP control panel will be created now. So next, now ready to begin installing XAMPP on your computer. So you'll click on next, and here it is just telling welcome to XAMPP. So let it install. It will take a few minutes, so I'll just fast forward this thing for you. Okay, so now we can see our setup is completely installed. Now we can click on finish, and here we will see the control panel of our XAMPP server. So now here we can start the process of our control panel, like we can start Apache and MySQL. So what we need to do, as you can see here, control panel is already launched. So if it is not launched in your case, or maybe if you want some shortcut with that, first you just close this thing, and here you can see this thing is the XAMPP control. Now I'll just search it XAMPP control panel. So here also you can see this is the XAMPP control panel. So you have to click on the start Apache and start MySQL then. Like in some cases what people might face the issue, like they on those cases, like there might be a MySQL server will not get started, or some error they will encounter. So on that cases they will just run as administrator, and they can go with that. And here you can just start the give the access. So start Apache and then start MySQL. So here these are the things, these are the port for Apache 80 and 443, and for MySQL 10056 PID, and this port is 3306. Now in the logs here you can check the logs. In config also you can check the httpd config file. So here in this file if I'll just show you here in this file, here you will see the listening port 80. So you can change this port as you wish, whatever port you want. So this is the thing. And now if I'll just go to my browser, and let's go to the browser here, and let's just search 127.0.0.1 and slash dashboard. So you will see the XAMPP dashboard. So instead of 127.0.0.1 you can also type localhost here. So if I'll hit the enter, I'll see the XAMPP dashboard. Here you can see this is the XAMPP Apache and PHP Perl, MariaDB, PHP plus Perl. You will see. We can also click on this PHP My Admin here, and if I'll just click on PHP My Admin, here our PHP My Admin interface will be opened. This is the MySQL Server web interface, basically PHP My Admin. Here we can click on the databases, and here we can click on this, give one database name, let's say DB, MyDB, and we will just hit the create button, and here this MyDB will be created, and you can give this now the table name and all. Okay, so now we will just go to the back, and okay, so this is the thing. And now what will we do? We will just run one write one PHP code, small PHP code, and we'll just see access on it onto the browser. So what will for that, what we need to do? We need to just go to the C drive first, this PC and C drive, and here in the C drive, this is the XAMPP folder. Here in the htdocs, we just need to search. So this htdocs, in this folder only we have to create that particular file. So I'll just create one file, that will be my PHP, and here inside this I'll just open through VS Code this particular file. So go to VS Code, and here we will just create my PHP. Okay, here we'll just give one file name, my php.php. okay, so hit enter, and here we'll just paste our that code itself, what we have written in the text. I have just written I'm just pasting that code. Okay, so here in this I'm just printing, this is my first PHP program. So I'll just save it, and now what will we do? We'll just go to again to the browser, and here in this browser we'll just write like localhost / my PHP / my PHP .php, because this is our code. So if I hit the enter, I'll get this is my first PHP program. So this way you can see we can run the PHP code, how we can run PHP script here inside this htdocs, and means create PHP script inside that htdocs folder, and we'll run in the browser. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to ask below in the comment section. Thank you guys, thank you very much.